Say Ghana, 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 Ghana. Say Premier League, Premier League. Division 1 League, Division 1 League. Next Premier League, next Premier League.
Kuma se game na se ofedi kana si ye papa. Asante Kotoko Mantana Shasi Bobi Bina so many bona kwa koche. Me hu se cha se bulu. Wapigana sa idea chese fa yan fantoni muntia. Kuma se Asante Kotoko. Ghana Premier League winning match at top 9. Asante Kotoko winning against your top you know one more boy sanse. One more CAF Confederation Cup against Kwara United. Our Ghana have it and Nigeria. The Ghana Premier League winning match at top you know Asante Kotoko. One more airball. A far away body at Kumase Asante Kotoko. And then I can see no more about this and say, Lord Hilaria double 50 or any muse. One more cry cry. Ismalado, Piasso de Bonafenifa. Ismalado Asaje. And then 50 was Asante Kotoko. Ismalado.
87.9 Kumasi.
Rafael, Lord Hilaria double 50. Sima enum entamwani obi antemi fa ball ento no nyonko atrem. Ball na trash here. E throw na ya to the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The pian de bona kwachi. O de akoma Ebenezer Aban. Aban de bona fan finfin. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. O ma ya hwe pa sanse. Ebrebi Heart of Lions we ba no mo ho kire wo mti referee Charles Bulu. Wasi e fa o yem fanto ni muntia. Heart of Lions. Kwajo Obi Junior ne kodi sanse money no. Bona kakodi Aziz Haruna Dare we piaso Ediama Joseph Ablo. Ablo crab bona kodi samba wonelum. Akodi goalkeeper Haruna Dare. Kumasi
clear, but execution a bit poor for Kotoko. It looks like down the left-hand side of attack where Peter Amiduakwa is operating has been, their best outlet so far in the game. We've seen him take on defenders a couple of times already. He has the energy now, and they need to be playing that ball through him a bit more often if they would want to get something in this first half.
Ruben Hennessy. Kotoko yet to lose in their last 10 games at the Bayern Sports Stadium. A situation that makes it tricky for Heart of Lions, but they are confident in the fact that they beat Kotoko away from home last season, although it was at the Menkley Stadium. It was still Asante Kotoko's home grounds.
Yeah, and it's always been difficult for Kotoko when adopting, other home grounds as their home. This is the traditional home grounds of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They've made so much history here, and last season, I think it really affected them.
Albert Amar was trying to control that one. There's an appeal for offside from the Heart of Lions left back, Benjamin Bismarck-Enin. Ruben Hennessy. Lawrence Asay. A major reason Hearts of Lions did so well in last season's Premier League after breaking out from the ranks of Liberty Professionals. He's grown and matured into one of the finest goalkeepers on the local scene, Lawrence Osei.
2 seasons ago, he was a bit, inexperienced, a rookie. And he's learned on the job. They've trusted him as well, and he's now paying, or repaying the faith the manager had in him all the while. And it's really been good for them having such a good goalkeeper between the sticks.
The Kotoko captain Samba O'Neill wins the foul. That's the Liberian Chance Freeman who pushed the Kotoko's keeper down. Hilaria Dabo. Good play from Martin Donzo to take possession for Kotoko, but Cuba hits the ball and he goes out for a Lions throw. And we've done 10 minutes at the Babayara Stadium. Kotoko nil, Hearts of Lions nil.
Yeah, Donzo had free space. He had acres of space in front of him to exploit. Unfortunately, that first touch, second touch, not good enough. Just overruns it. And he's not also replicated that scoring form of Kwame Poku from last season.
Dogley, Ateje, good to Kwanzaa. He's looking for Obin Jr. Obin, ball intercepted by Aqua. Obin Jr. controls it down. Here's Kwanzaa, but Ablo steps up for Kotoko and clears the danger.
That was a big chance, big chance. Falling the way of Kwanzaa.
Ishmael Ado to Obin Jr. He's up against Joseph Armour. Here is Obin Jr. Swings in across to the far side. Ateje can't control it well as Lord Armour heads it out for a Hearts of Lions throw.
Yeah, they're going a bit more expansive. Obin Jr. drifting to the right-hand side. Seconds ago, he was a bit more central, and that's what you do. You try to pull, those two centre-backs along with you, trying to create narrow spaces for your teammates to attack, and that was what caused that first chance that fell to Heart of Lions. Unfortunately, that was miscued.
That was a timely intervention. And yes, I Kwanzaa any opportunity to hit a shot on target. But I think the defenders you were very strong in that area, or to blockade that chance.
Heart of Lions say bia so betimi achekweti kanieti akrobia kuma say Asante Kotoko. Paula Teje na so da bi. Ya pimbo na mana trash e you throw in here to where tia kuma say Asante Kotoko. Sima itubako I ofe di kana Asante Kotoko enche bi Heart of Lions enche bi Ghana Premier League we ni matcha etoso enan. Asante Kotoko kan say etoso mienu ena yeboyi. Channel so me say Heart of Lions are branch back one din at the Paula Teje Eda group management to center referee Charles Bulu say ya twetwe so na fei je ma branch no ho ntoni nya kwanya ento aso Asante Kotoko chita afo na back aka ni sa na so sana ne ya hwe ni mse ko mu betimi aba no o mu masa Paula Teje if you group national center referee Charles Bulu kwase na ba me ato akense ne so Kuma say Asante Kotoko Heart of Lions a throw in man we say Bulu man we ono so Dogle chair so le jare na so bona mana trash e corner kick aye ball
Asante Kotoko.
Yeah, he'd left off somewhat caught napping there. Trying to transition that ball quickly into attacking. He was just caught there.
Dogley. Kotoko retake possession. Here is the former Brecum Chelsea right back, Lord Armour. Donzo. Hibejewu, another former Brecum Chelsea player. He was a hero for Kotoko last weekend in Abeokuta, Nigeria, when he scored the only goal in that Confederations Cup game against Kwara United FC. That has taken Kotoko to the next stage where they have a date with Moroccan Giants without Athletic Casablanca in a fortnight's time, hoping to play that game at this venue in Kumasi.
Yeah, he's a top talent, top talent. And it's even interesting to note he's not been with this club for 3 months and already he looks at home, settled, and that's the quality he brings into the setup. And some people thought he was going to struggle, actually. You know, we've seen players move from pitching, you know, Chelsea, you know, those broad teams, and we've not really seen the best out of them because Kotoko has so much pressure. The fans are always crying for more, and you would always have to be on top of your game. And already Jewu is showing glimpses of that quality he brought from Chelsea.
Adabo is aiming at Iduakwa, but Yaudan so is pressed to the ball. Here is Yaudan so. Surges brought down by Hilary Adabo. Free kick for Hearts of Lions. Adabo had to take this one for the team.
Yeah, he's mopping up, but it wouldn't be long because play, you know, with this kind of aggression, he might enter into the referee's books already. This is the second time, you know, he stopped a Heart of Lions quick transition, and that's the role he's playing.
So Paul Ateje has gone off. It's not looking good. Coach Bashir Effort has been forced to bring on Kojokuma Macaulay. Ateje, very instrumental in Hearts of Lions' rise to the top of the Premier League this season. He already has a goal and had to be taken off in the first quarter of an hour of this game. Bashir Effort might be a worried man at this point.
Yeah, that's every coach's nightmare. You know, no coach wants that to happen, especially, you know, with barely 20 minutes played. And that would also alter the system. It would alter the setup, you know, in a way. Yeah, it could be like-for-like replacement, but, you know, player profiles a bit different there. We know Ateje, he sniffs chances, he sniffs goal-scoring opportunities as well, a good dribbler as well. But Macaulay would also have to, you know, live up to that expectation, especially coming out for a player like Ateje, who's always been instrumental to Bashir Hayford's setup. Could also add some bite up front for them. For the teams are showing each other a bit more respect. We've not seen them press so high, try to force mistakes off, you know, the other defense, but perhaps just a warming up.
Here is Jewu trying to find Donzo. Just couldn't control one more from Donzo. Off a defense splitting pass from Cuba Jewu.
He was, but for a second you'd be thinking he was half an inch offside there. But that was a good run over there, yes.
You know, that might have been ruled out, even if he had tucked that into the unrational Lawrence will say. But it was a good run. No, just looking beyond the shoulders of these defenders and making that good run. Here is Kwanzaa for Hearts of Lions. Beneza Arbon to Hennessy. Enim to Freeman. Echen Doggery. Now Ishmael has got so much space in front of him. With a brilliant ball to Freeman. Freeman shoots and it's gone over the bar. Glorious chance missed by Freeman. He should be doing better from there, Freeman. He should be hitting the target there from that distance. He had options, but
He just decided to test, you know, Adari himself, and that ball was a bit disappointed, and the reaction, you know, on the face of Bashir Hayford tells you that that would have meant a lot to him if that had gone in. Just look at that with the left foot. He struck that, but that wouldn't worry Aziz Adari at all.
Ruben Hennessy. Hennessy goes long, but ends up giving it away. Joseph Amo has a bandaged head after a head injury a few moments ago. Advantage Heart of Lions as Ishmael Ado wins the foul for Heart of Lions.
Yeah, for now, every injury to Kotoko will be crucial, looking at the fact that they have that game against WAC, on the horizon. These players would have to be careful. In as much as they would want, accrue points in GPL games, they would still need to be careful because, playing against WAC, you always need your top players.
Here is Donzo, Amwa, Jehu, over elaborating, has cut Jehu possession, and here is Concept for Heart of Lions. Ishmael Ado has got space. It's a good ball trying to find Obin Jr.
Samuel Boama.
Obin Jr. is offside.
Yeah, fraction too early.
Deja bono ten so efisi Lightman Abidjan Francano. Bono
Defense
offside.
of Kotoko for Obin Jr. to just attack that ball in space. That's what we spoke
Bono
about.
offside.
They have that quality, to go beyond that line midfield and find attackers in wide areas. And we've seen Obin Jr. play. Certainly, he's moved from the left hand side now to the right hand side, and he's just trying his luck.
Aziz. Amba. Ball. Yunzu. Let's ball now. Papa Trashe. Going in favor of Heart of Lions. Bismarck Enim. The ball no bona. Ewan Fifio. Ruben. On our boy in the Yamasa. Enim Senabu no peso show anadien. Abdulaziz. Samba Oniel. NP2. Ball near corner kick. Corner kwa Trashe corner kick. Ebenezer Aban, the dependable defender. Ebenezer Aban. Don't say Kojo Obin Junior and then pa. Bone kona ke pija bono chen. Amba Oniel. Amwa. Jew. Amwa. Kona kick. Bono esansu eye kona kick. Marcia Asante Kotoko still mounting pressure on Heart of Lions on PC on Mushe and Facebook. Lawrence Jose. Tombo Nisi Wa. Olamwa mehu ade a esi ya ɔde bibi ɛbɔ ne team megye sɛ bi a ɔnya asɔm no kakra bi lɔda mo a ɛnɛ deɛ mehu sɛ ne position no ɔkɔ mankasa wɔ hɔ ɔkɔ mankasa ɔbɔ ne position no sɛneɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔbɔ no Lord amo a mmɔnemmɔ no ɛsɔ ani ankasa abɔbɔ no tententen bɔ no ɛwɔ butterflies kwafe mu bɔ no akɔ akɔtera hyɛ yɛ throwing ɛbɛto ɛde atia House of Lions Lord amo a ɔtɔ bɔ no ɛde akɔ 18-yard box no mu Donzu the ball no akɔ akɔma Lord amo a still Lord amo a by pull out can this be a goal watch a bicycle kick wow Mamma mia kuma sa Asante Kotoko before ni say ball no ɛyɛ throwing ball no ayɛ de ayɛ hyi Ismail Adu Rubin sorry Gogli pagya ball no ball no ehu ɛwɔ Kotoko 18-yard box no nso ball no akɔ akɔtera hyɛ ɛyɛ corner kick in favor of Heart of Lions and Heart of Lions ball no akɔ akɔtera hyɛ ɛyɛ corner kick in favor of Heart of Lions 27 minutes into the first half behind Timmy Enshebi. A corner kick a ball evetia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Mapeja ball no ten. I had the ball no ama ball nepi. Ball na kwa kotrashi. A2-way. Still out of Lions. Omuna ball no ekip ewa omunsa. Ball mwayamba ni chineti. Jew. Betimi atwana Debbie. Referee na pedane penalty man na pedane Franca o save Debbie Massa. Ball no awonde ne doson. Enti a free kick. Awonde ne doson enti a free kick. Chew. Ne won hene ankasa. Yes. Ne won hene ankasa. Oma awonde ne edoson wo ho enti fi ne so masa. Awonde no kakra bi na ene ya debo. Borins osei wa peja bo no ten e de akọ Kotoko afemo. Goalkeeper Aziz. Bono ala koma Paul Amwa Iyamba. The ball now quickly Samba O'Neal. Entry Lodamwa. Adabu. Chew. Jew. The other betting ball nine. If we know Amano foul. If we and Ama Jew foul. Bismarck ahe. On the quiet half foul. Other more. The ball now quache. Out of lines of Ajibon. Rubin and this out of lines. Omobono. Enyamawa. Then you can say Omona Omoda top the Ghana Premier League. No. You say Omomone Mono, Esweni Ankasa. Otimu say yes. Omoya di Ankasa. Ball na ding don affair. The full battle no ayedi. Ubia ebubi ball no over the right side and our left side of Kotoko. Back. Bakwa. Pasisa ball no entry. Amwa. Dunzu. Odamwa, can this be a go for Kumasi Asante Kotoko? Debi. Ball no ball na kwa kotrashi. Odamwa opa cho se me pamucho munya butre. Occupying tertiary. Out of lines no omu no monsieur Kotoko fonso no monsieur. Ewiano tian kasa. Ablo any samba oni and any dem hu say obu defense no ay solid. Aka infinfin no any die obeboa the attack na kakra. Yes. Obin Junior. Obin Junior, former class of player. Usi Akan ene Edema the heart of lions. Usi Akan Edema the heart of lions. Enchi. Don't say Omokasa Chen say Bono Yanya Bute. Una was the number 10 man T with ya. Bicycle cake na Amwa boy no Naka Shady and Naka easy. Ujo Obin Junior. Ujo Obin Junior.
Transfer and from on the international and to the commercial and from on life on Toronto TV. Live on Kalusha TV, Kotoko Etimi NCB, Sasuna Heart of Lions, so Etimi NCB, Kenera Soruben, Ken Murata, live on Facebook for commenting a plan and cancel FMO. Commenting a plan and cancel my test Macedonia 0592 653 now, Bono H20, Kotoko Eto Bono Infanta Heart of Lion Brantano. Bono H20, Kotoko Eto Bono Infanta Heart of Lion Brantano. What a fantastic game now, Kotoko Brantano, Kotoko Eto Bono. No, you put out next step. Santa Sacro, 1, 2, no, so baby, Kotoko Brantano, Saturday Bono, Bonabia Brantano, and Archie, 1 of Piasso, Bono, so the number of Brantano, to the Slowness, the Brantano, Clapper, 18 possible between oh my goodness, Massa. The clip of the dangers on the fly. I'm not going to clip of the dangers on. The Panthers are refusing a shooting. Refusing Bono a shooting. Sent to Bono a the fly. I'm not going to. Fantastic kid that you're watching, Massa. Couldn't get him away. Shape up, make me for a top. Couldn't get him away. Shape up, make me for a top. Fuck him into that player because you know. Come into the good of the council and I'm on. Similar pay for the Caruso and the Barroso Temposo. They did come on there, second is similar address, yeah. Kotoko etimi ACB atoskoyo esu etimi ACB basa ubetimi the comment on atwana kanso edema test masalana 0592 655 shebe kanso edema be kanso etimi kanso edema no ya choso refuse pono ede no praise pono ede pono ya go kick sebo pono for tseko to come on channel. Simo pono for tseko to come on channel. Look at that beautiful now. Onto the second amount of flow. Where the choices is fantastic in the Sudan Massa. Shamana Quente Paso. Beautiful refresh on a pen. Free that's on a pen. The trust for the penalty to me come out. The trust for the penalty to me come out. Wakana tene moya ship papa masa. Wakana tene moya ship coming front. No ya choso. Ona be brancha ya fane junior could you open as that be. Peanuts made mistake on the first portal and far. Face upon way for some upon a fight out of flying as should be. No, the flight Dominican Tempos at the Pono, Capono Santa Paso, no should be. On a tracing of Fish upon a show, sent to Pono and Fort Secoto Brantano. Now, to Ponatreco and Panaco, the Brantano from Ajamana should be. Capono, very Pisma, Pixmas, my Capono, so should be. So Pono say Pixma, and Fish upon a far. That's what they're no Fish upon a far. Fish upon a far. Samba Pono for Chacoto Brantano, now beautiful. Now Brancha for the Ishmael, Anto the Crapono, Anto, beautiful, Anto, the Capono so far from Japanese for the Bismarck, any so Capono so Japanese for the SW, Local so Capono so Massa, Pono for Ebenezer upon, Ebenezer upon Capono so Ebenezer upon, the Capono so Japanese for the Poaje Ata, Ata the Crapono, beautiful, Ata, Capono so such a long to a for the yard down, so that's what be. Also, no should be. Said also to me and the ball to Ponto said referee Pono and a goal kick. Referee Pono and a goal kick. Pono and a goal kick. Sama Pono and Francia. At the fly on Montano. Okunuma Tenemo ship papa me coming for the life on Kalosha TV. Live on Kalosha TV, Okunuma Tenemo Shemo put the same protocol. Emma is so many make any someone else make a turn. Officer for a fall. Officer for a fall. Referee Pono and Fire Pono and Pachaco to come and Pachafono, someone, Mama, someone change back communal, not to force a prom, Pasa. Someone, Mama, chip back communal, not to force a prom, and someone must okay. Come on, make mistake, keep a pray, Massa. It is about to follow for Massa. I have thrown a bit to Yamako to Papa Stefan Abdullah Nasa. You need to be very, very careful, Massa. The great some mistake in the build of Free Support from and to fly and the power if I take to come channel. Now to fly a Murada. At the fire of a poro in Francia. At the cover of a Portana and we say Papa. Portana and we say Papa coming from the town. Portana and we say Papa. Atuyima wana for Massa. That's a friend of someone other than Japanese. Come here, they are also. Oh my goodness! Yeah. What a fantastic goal! Fantastic free kick! Jadaso Pana Pane, Papa. Jadaso Pana Pane, Papa. Jadaso Pana Pane, Papa, me coming from the Massa. Jadaso. Also, no out of flyer. I'm going to go. But I was so for the stars of the shop blood. What a test of the fish upon a kick. Referee upon a kick. Beautiful, fantastic game. Beautiful, fantastic game. There we are watching us. Yes, when you on the semi catcher. I could kick out the fly on opponent of the call. A great cheap community means a branch of fun down somewhat. Dial down some room. We kept on some of the 18 person. But a bit of once again. We kept on so should that be. We kept on so and so that be. Kept on so and so that be. I'm a crying. The play on my channel. I can't burn it from tempo so. It's a pono. Go kick. Go kick. Go now and also now put it forward. I mean, I'm going to come right now. Such a care for some tempo so. When I find so that be. When I find so that be. The Kurama Tenemo say Papa. Okurama Tenemo say my photo with the photo quite much so we make it beautiful. Said to us one echo. But people some tempo so. No so that be. Shamakai. Empress. It's your come on, only Timmy Empress. It's your come on, and trust it. How to fly on a picture, so it's going to go fantastic. Next would be, come on, and I want them for so beautiful. That's what they do. Fresh one up in. Referee, I saw up in. Referee has shown up penalty today. Referee has shown up penalty. Sepono e free kick at the front of the point to come right zero. We kept also at the front of the cup of the branch for some auto. Yes, I can Simono, a Trono, and Yana, and no terminal massa. 45 minutes in to be a banner. Referee this morning, Polymer in the torso. Simon Meno and I did for the ultimate torso. Royal Trosso, Roman to come out of the President, what should be? But the final club of the national battle for some more also. That should have been President. Referee today. Referee today. Today. Referee Pono. Referee Pono. Referee Pono. Yeah, Pono who is a part of the coming for a town. But yeah, Pono is who papa. Yeah, Pono who papa make me for a town. And yeah, for the Colossus, and say anybody did come on. 45 minutes in the but I have this money be doing that too. So that be Remedy four targets. Four targets, Carusa. 45 minutes in the team up and we are telling the referee. Hey, take your bet me. And so referee bet me and the front of the cannon up and we got to call. Ultimate and Sheppy. Ultimate and Sheppy Carusa. Oh, game in the sense so far, Carusa.
Game when the when say Heart of Lions in Ankasa position now Mudano a young Kasa. When we say Omona Eda first on the league table, it is a ball say na Edenya Unyan easy sa there be Unyan easy sa anti Kotoko say Omubon modern etimi name of a community be sent a bear. Movetimi a share go and yes idea. Heart of Lions in Ankasa no more team. Makasa first half on the Abane.
Right, first off, when we in the Kalusa, young for right, young man, except for Papa near her phone, Papa, live on Kalusa TV, Moshe, live on TikTok, Sasha, live on YouTube, Kalusa TV, some people are Papa, and everyone check a set so in there, and from people Kalusa, yes, also, and then Sunday, yes, Sunday special, much in the first half from me, one of you, yeah. Just on the table, no so Ghana Premier League say, and the city Kalusa, yes, Premier League table, no. I say, just I know. Maybe I thought so. Now that no one seminar so paying up. So no, you best answer what I say. Nothing come up in so. And I'm Kalusha. Over to you.
Yes, Makasa table ne de Osha Heart of Lions. And that game no can one mabo 4 matches or more 10 points. If you say Makasa game na nyam wie ye first half and first half no so a 0-0 into more 1 points. The quality say ya there or maybe that top with 10 points. Okay. And Mediama so Ccia mobile no Omashe 1 goal. Okay. Omashe goal into Mediama was second. Okay. With 9 points. The Koswa AVC Yadia. Mediama Bekwakoda second with 9 points. Okay. Now Accra so focus so Omabo match we since Friday no. Okay. Omabo 4 matches or more 8 points. Okay.